Most people will never realize their full potential, and when they die, they wish they could go back in time and do things differently. On the other hand, some people would grin in the face of death because they know they made the most of their lives. You see, every one of us has been given life and is endowed with enormous potential. Assume you do not develop good habits in your life. In that situation, you're not just being ungrateful and squandering your potential, you're also setting yourself up to die like an insignificant worm. Most individuals will create excuses, claiming that they must enjoy life since it is so short. Here's the truth. 9 times out of 10, these folks do not like life. They strive to get away from life, from reality. Losing yourself to computer games, using certain drugs, or getting intoxicated at parties is not an enjoyable way to spend your time. If you feel it is, I want you to know that the system has been designed for you to never realize your full potential. In this video, we will discuss 4 behaviors that can help you improve your life. Number 1. White belt mentality. The first and most crucial habit is to develop a white belt mindset. In several martial arts, there is a ringing system with multiple belts. Everyone begins with the white belt. A white belt is the most curious and has the most to learn. That is a mindset that we should all strive towards in life. When you have a white belt attitude, you see the world differently. Everything becomes a chance to grow and learn. In truth, most people stop studying after they graduate. The system has duped them into thinking they are finished learning. Some of these people become arrogant and believe they know everything. Never allow your schooling to get in the way of your education. I've lived a more challenging life than most people can comprehend, and it's been my best teacher. Now I can pass on that knowledge to those who follow this channel. But I'm not through learning. I too have a white belt mindset and am always learning. Just because I assist some men in advancing in their lives does not imply I can stop developing myself. Only an idiot would believe such nonsense. Some people will insert timestamps into the movie and believe they know everything by reading a single word. They will ignore my video's actual message. These guys are not of the white belt school of thought. You are no longer looking for the finish line when you have the white belt attitude. There is none. Every day is the first day. Continue to learn. Number 2. Get moving. Standing water breeds germs and frequently smells like rotten eggs, but flowing water does not. Human nature is similar to water. Your body will deteriorate if you do not move. Some of the most intelligent geeks frequently have the most significant issues because they do not exercise. They might not be as brilliant as they think since not moving causes cognitive degeneration. We all have what is known as fluid IQ. Fluid IQ is your capacity to learn new things, and it begins to drop beyond the age of 25. Cognitive engagement is not the greatest approach to prevent cognitive deterioration. It is not additional reading and studying. It's a form of exercise. Weightlifting and aerobic exercise are by far the most effective ways to prevent cognitive deterioration. What's intriguing is that most people don't realize your body is related to every aspect of your health. Both your emotional and physical wellness are inextricably tied to your body. You are your body, whether it is suffering from depression, anxiety, high blood pressure, or any other condition. The first question you should ask yourself is whether or not you are moving enough. Movement is responsible for our healthy joints, strong bones, good coordination, and reflex responsiveness. It also improves our learning abilities, focus, and mental health. We would degrade without it. Number 3. Express gratitude. You have something to be thankful for every day you wake up. I don't care whether you're in debt or at a low time in your life. I don't care if everyone on the planet despises you. You still have reasons to be thankful. This behavior is sometimes disregarded since it does not immediately lead to our life objectives. Nonetheless, it is still one of the most essential habits to develop. Consider being struck by a bus today and losing your ability to walk. How do you suppose you'd feel if you realized you'd taken your ability to walk for granted? Gratitude is a powerful emotion. Make a point of writing down your reasons for thankfulness every day or taking a daily minute to be appreciative. Number 4. Deep thinking. We live in the age of social media, and scientists are constantly devising new techniques to keep you glued to your phone. This strengthens your capacity to consider your life and aspirations. When was the last time you sat in a quiet room or in a park and just thought? Deep thinkers prefer to scrutinize things in great detail. They examine their current situation as if it were a chessboard. What are your next 5 moves? What are my strengths and weaknesses? What are the positive and negative habits? Other than yourself, no one is responsible for changing your life. You must be able to disconnect from social media and other distractions in order to engage in deep thought. This might indicate that you need to undertake a dopamine detox or take a break from social media. When you're addicted to TikTok, it's practically hard to think deeply. Because the videos on this channel are actually intended to help guys better their lives, I want you to fully grasp what I'm stating. I have no objections if meaningful thought necessitates a little absence from the internet world. It's better for me to know that I did my part to assist you. I'm not suggesting that social media isn't vital in your life. Still, instead of endlessly browsing online, you should pick and choose what you watch. When was the last time you considered your life's purpose or your goals? When was the last time you set plans to move closer to your goals? And when was the last time you considered why you were on this planet? This is more than just a channel. It is a movement that is growing in strength in all aspects of life. One of the things you must do in order to be assertive is to think carefully and evaluate. We're all playing chess in life, so consider your next move and possibly write about it afterward. By the way, if you want to level up in life, remember to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Until next time.